Hello, this is Dr. Amruth, Assistant Professor from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Gokulam Thursdays, Mysuru. With the support of Decibels Lab, EV has started more interactively, more hands-on session, and it made our problem-solving technique easy. Right now, we have 3 instruments. To begin with, advanced powertrain, where we have hands-on session on how the vehicle will be started, what are the faults will be detected, how the battery management will be done, and what are the condition of the battery has to be gone through. And we can also see that how the torque is measured, how the regenerative power is measured. Then it comes to the case of second instrument, which is lithium-ion cell testing, where we'll be studying how the battery will be charged at constant voltage, constant current, how it will be discharged, like that. And when it comes to the case of third instrument, it's a single cell BMS algorithm. With the help of that, we will be verifying or checking the status of the battery, individual battery especially. So that could be done here with the help of MATLAB. With the help of these hands-on sessions, we see that the student from mechanical, electrical and electronic department, they can also go through that. Of course, this advanced powertrain, most of the mechanical students will actually like, because everywhere you see that it is similar to that of electric vehicle, two-wheeler. So here they can have hands-on session and they will be able to learn what are the faults will happen, and during that case how it will be resolved. Whereas in the case of cell testing and BMS algorithm development testing lab, in that case you see that the student from electrical electronics, they can easily go through the working of each battery's charging process, and also how the circuit is been made with the help of that PLC kit. So this is how it helps the student for all the 3 branches. Most of the cases, the engineers, being an engineer, I may not be able to resolve the problems at the vehicle, but here you see in the advanced powertrain, most of the problems that we can easily identify this, and with the help of the trainer, of course we will be able to resolve this. And of course what are the precautionary measure has to take, that will also be taught by the Decibels Labs. So here if you see that all the equipments are connected to one another. To begin with the cell testing, so here you can see that the cell, of course it will be tested during charging, and of course it will be tested during discharging. So we can see the life cycle of the cell. We can also see how many cycle it will perform, and what is its degradation rate. Then when it comes to the BMS management, where you see that individual cells will be tested, of course, and there are the cases where you see that the process of safe power drop or power cut we call. So this is how it will be tested, and after testing the batteries, you can see that there is a arrangement of battery management system where we use the cells in series and parallel. So that will be connected and it will be used in powertrain. Okay, so if you see, it is interrelated to one another, and with the help of this, student can establish their career, because you know that in upcoming days, as AI in the computer science, this electric vehicle plays very important role in the field of mechanical and electrical engineering. To share my experience with reference to the Decibels Labs, of course here I could able to see the equipments. They are quite good, and we can see that it is well designed, well fabricated, and we could able to see the labelings also. They have concentrated very much in labeling of each and every components. In assembling also we saw that it is well in a way, it's in a good way it is been assembled or customized we would call. And of course to talk about the technicians or the trainers, we saw that they are teaching us in every way to make us understand the concept in a simpler way. And of course, they are telling us the purpose of conducting this experiment. So that has actually a good impact. So it's a best way of teaching electric vehicle. I personally thank Decibels Lab for providing this infrastructure where we have got these three equipments. So with the help of this, we could able to learn something related in the field of electric vehicle, and with the help of this, we will be able to have a good center of excellence, so that we can train the students or the industry experts or the employees from the industry for their betterment. So I personally thank Decibels Lab once again for that. Thank you.